I have an account on ArcGIS Online with some items, but now some reason I want to transfer those items to another ArcGIS Online account. So let's see how to do that with Python scripting. From arcgis.gis, import GIS. Let's connect to the two different ArcGIS Online accounts. Source GIS, cal to GIS, URL. URL means we have to put source AGOL instance URL with username and password, and we have to do same thing for target instance as well. Now we have to make a list of items we have to transfer. So within list we have to put items ID, which items you want to transfer. Here I took two IDs only. One is file database and another one is feature service. For item in items, here I call the items from source using get, like content equal to source gis dot content dot get item. Now let's check if this content is available on target instance or not. If available on target, then we just print these items or else transfer this item. Target items equal to target gis dot content dot start. Query content dot title and type is content dot type. Putting max items equal to 10. Here I searched that if same title and type is matched or not in target. If target items, then it will print already available in target. Else, copy items equal to target gis dot content dot clone items. Print transfer these items from source to target, calling copy items. Let's run and see. Getting one error regarding the title. So here I have to change the spelling mistake, title to title. So now it's fine. Let's run again. See, here it's printing transfer this item from source to target. So file 0 database is successfully transferred. Now wait for some time to complete feature service. Now it's complete. So let's check in target instance if these items are successfully transferred or not. Refresh this page. Here we can see these two items is successfully transferred. Buddy, please like and subscribe.